Hey guys, Pete from Leisure Time here with another episode of What's in the Box? What's in the box? Today we are looking at the Connected Spa Kit 2, which is the Wi-Fi modules so that you can control your hot tub and monitor it from your cell phone. The part number is 79994. You got some instructions, 2 modules that look exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which one goes inside your house and which one goes inside the hot tub. There's a mounting bracket for you to mount it inside the hot tub somewhere if you can't find a good location. On the back here, we have a couple cables. So there's mounting screws, comes with it. There is the power cable. This is the one that goes inside the house. It's a USB to USB-C power hookup, and you can plug it in anywhere inside the house if you have a USB port. Then they give you 2 separate cables that this is gonna go into the hot tub, either A or B, depending on which model of spa you have, which circuit board is in there, is going to depend on which cable you'll want to use. So this cable has 2 plugins. One goes to the module itself, the other one goes to the circuit board, works on the Eagle 1 box, and then you would set your module to setting B. Now, if you don't have the Eagle 1 box and you have the Eagle 2 box or a Hawk box, which is used in the Hotspot series, you'll want to use this other cable, and you can see the difference here. This is the same plug-in that's going to go to the module, and then the other plug that goes to your circuit board. So you plug those in. You will have to then get on your phone, download the app, create an account, connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you should be able to control your hot tub from there. Turn on jet pumps, lights, adjust temperature, and just monitor your overall temperature. If something happens where your temperature starts dropping, it should alert you to a warning that something's wrong. Okay, that is the Wi-Fi kit. Thanks for watching.